In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your T-Mobile home internet password. Whether you want to enhance your security or just update your credentials, this process is straightforward and quick, so let's get started. First off, make sure that your phone or computer is connected to your T-Mobile Wi-Fi network. This connection is crucial because we'll need to access your network settings through it. Once you're connected, open up a web browser on your device. This could be any browser you prefer. Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge will do just fine. In the address bar at the top, type in the URL http://mobile.hotspot. This will take you to your T-Mobile Home Internet Management page. Hit the Enter key to navigate to this page. Now, it's time to log in. Use your current admin password to gain access. If you've never changed this password before, you can typically find the default password inside the back cover of your hotspot device. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings section of the page. This is where you'll be able to make changes to your Wi-Fi network. Within the settings, you'll find a field labeled Password. Here, you can enter your new Wi-Fi password. Be sure to choose something strong and memorable. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols is usually a good idea for added security. After you've typed in your new password, you'll need to save these changes. Look for the Apply button on the page and click it. You might be prompted to confirm your choice with a Yes option. Go ahead and select it. And there you have it. Your T-Mobile network password is now updated. Keep in mind that you may need to reconnect all your devices using the new password you've set up. This ensures that everything stays connected smoothly. Changing your password regularly is a good practice to keep your network secure and functioning optimally. With these simple steps, you can easily manage your T-Mobile home internet settings and enjoy a safer browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.